So this will be on chapter 15, section 3, possibilities of apportionment, home stretch here. So this is an interesting topic, apportionment. So again, we have a little bit of an overview of what we are doing here in our course. So apportionment is the mathematical process of dividing a fixed number of seats or resources, if you will, among groups based on their populations. It appears in political science, resource allocation, and fairness studies. So a lot of times we see this in government. So essentially what apportionment means is dividing something, usually a fixed number of seats or resources, among groups in a fair way based on the size of the population. So basically, again, apportionment, it's kind of a fair sharing based how big each group is. That's kind of the concept behind it. So it's kind of important, when it comes to sharing resources, that you try to share resources as fairly as possible. Or if you're representing people in a fair way. So the basic problem that we'll be coming across is we'll be given a total population, and then we'll be given a set of groups, could be states, regions, or districts, if you will. And then we have to assign seats, if you will. So a fixed number of seats to allocate or assign. So again, the whole goal of this is assign a whole number of seats. So you can't have a third or a fraction of a seat. You're not sharing a seat. You have a whole seat to each group in a way that is fair relative to their population. So that's the kind of questions we're going to work with is, how to allocate resources or how to apportion uh, uh, seats to the population. So I'll stop there and we'll start looking at some sample questions.